Hey everybody, Chris here. This video I'm going to talk about some of the latest news in cryptocurrency and Dogecoin, Elon Musk, and this Binance Bitcoin giveaway. I'm going to talk about that a little bit later. Also going to show you the charts and what I'm looking at. Did a video yesterday where I talked about coming out of this descending wedge triangle for Dogecoin and how it's been trading since then and where it might go from there. And right now, it's following pretty much along the channel that I had predicted. A little bit lower dip in the morning than I would have predicted, but it seems to be back within that channel and trading looks good. Overall, the cryptocurrency market looks good. There's still a little bit of FUD around here and there, but overall, I think the sentiment is good, and I think it's going to be good trading going forwards through the week. So, going to be taking a look at that a little bit later, as well as what's going on with Elon Musk and the Gigafactory and him dancing again. We'll show you that as well. I'm Chris. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. I certainly appreciate the support. Also on Twitter, I am at Chris Crypto, and link in the description below to my Twitter account, where I'm just trying to keep it real with just the news, not get caught up in a lot of the hype that's going on, and you know, it just best for me to stay away from all of that right now. Again, trying to keep it real. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at the charts and the news, and I will show you what I'm looking at. So here's the current trading of Dogecoin. This is on the 30-minute chart, or just over 1220. This is from my video yesterday where we had just come out of this W pattern and predicted sideways trading sort of in this white channel here. Dipped a little bit below it this morning, but seems to be coming back up right near the bottom of that channel. We did have a little spike yesterday afternoon, came up to about over 1250, but it was immediately pushed back down. And that's what happens with Doge. Bitcoin, same sideways trading with Bitcoin, right around 42,000 now, which is the lower end of that channel that I was looking at. And we'll see how this trades going forward. With Doge, if I zoom out a little and we go back to the 4-hour, we will see that there was this descending triangle, some call it a wedge, that Dogecoin has traded out of. And we're now out of that wedge and trading very positively. And the charts are looking good overall for Doge. Go back to the daily. We're still looking at RSI below 50. Looks like it's going to take some much stronger upward momentum, probably up to that 1360 mark, which is a key resistance line that I'm looking at for the RSI to get back above 50. And then we could possibly break through 1360 and go trading even higher. One other crypto that I'm looking at that I had invested in thanks to Jay is Loopring. Loopring took off last night. If I go back to the 30-minute chart, we'll see what happened with Loopring. It had been trading right around 80 cents or so. And then this morning, it just took off and up to 120. I had bought it at $2, so I still have a long ways to go. Poor Jay, he had bought up near $3. He had dollar cost average down, he said, a little bit, but Loopring still has a long ways to go to get back to where it was. If I go to Loopring on the daily, we'll see that it was trading up here back in December, and it's got a long ways to go to get back. But still good trading. Good to see that every once in a while there's still a coin that's going to take off, and it was Loopring's this morning, and Doge is going to be doing something similar to this soon. In the news, crypto tattoos. Tweeted about this yesterday that over 2021, Bitcoin tattoos, crypto tattoos, and Dogecoin tattoos were some of the most searched tattoo searches on Google last year. And people having fun with tattoos. And I know Nick got his Dogecoin tattoo last year. A lot of others. We'll see whether the momentum comes back. We look at this chart and we look at Dogecoin tattoos were being searched for. This is last March and April, May, when all that hype was happening with Dogecoin. The red line here kind of died out a little bit for Dogecoin searches, but look at that in the green, NFT tattoos. So people want to get NFT tattoos. I guess that's okay. Not my thing, but some people are into that. Here's an article on being crypto. Dogecoin might have broken out from a 192 tape pattern. I tweeted this yesterday as well. And it's very similar to what I was looking at the charts, in that they call this a descending wedge. And what they're looking at is this big downward triangle, very similar to the one that I was looking at. And Dogecoin has broken out of that, which is a very bullish indicator and is a good sign. Dogecoin spikes. This is on Benzinga. I'm now able to look at Benzinga articles again. I don't know. I tweeted yesterday back to Benzinga saying I couldn't access their website. They were saying I'd reached my limit. Maybe they listened to me. I don't know. And now I'm able to look at Benzinga articles again. So maybe I had something to do with it. We'll see. Analysts list out key levels for those looking to buy. Well, I mean, anybody could say. Amsterdam-based cryptocurrency analyst Michael van de Poppe tweeted Monday that investors would want to buy Doge between 8 cents and 11.9 cent levels. Well, I could have tweeted that too. They could have just quoted me instead of Michael van de Poppe. What do they need this Amsterdam-based guy for? They could just talk to Chris. Chris could tweet that out too. I'd love to buy 8 cent Dogecoin too, but it's not going to drop down to 8 cents. Of course, investors would want to, but it's just not going to drop down that low. So it's just funny. Sometimes Benzinga just picks up some of these things, and it's just like 8 cent Dogecoin, nah, not going to happen. Another thing going on is this win a Bitcoin game that Binance is having. And I know Binance is, there's something going on between Dogecoin and Binance, and I don't get it. I don't know what's going on there, but this is win a Bitcoin. You get one chance at this. And if they have the 60-second timer, and if you press this button, that's your one chance. Your one chance that if you're the last one to press that button, and it counts all the way down to 0, you'll win 1 Bitcoin. And people are pressing it, right? And you can see almost 550,000 people as of now have pressed that button. And it keeps resetting back to 60. The lowest I've seen this is down to about 53 seconds. And then someone clicks it and it resets back. They just had 56 there. There's 56 at 55, 54, 53, 52. Hey, 52. That's the lowest I've seen so far. And then someone hits the button. So I'm going to wait and see when it starts getting down a little lower before I use my one chance. Because I'm not going to press that button right now because there's so many other people hitting this that I'm going to wait till it goes down a while. And maybe it's the middle of the night, right? But not a lot of people are there. But Binance is worldwide, so middle of the night United States isn't the same as worldwide. So, anyway, fun game. We'll see what happens. A chance to win a Bitcoin. So I'm going to take my time and kind of see how this plays out. There's probably going to be millions of participants in this, and it's just going to take a while. But it's something fun to watch. Yesterday, Elon Musk was in Germany, and he opened the new Gigafactory in Berlin, and he did this dance move. So I'll show you that in just a second here. Elon is spending some time in Tesla, which is great. It's a big thing for Tesla to not rely so much on cars being made in the United States and China, but now cars rolling out in Europe is very good overall for Tesla, and we saw that the stock too did very well yesterday as well. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at Elon's dance moves. So that's pretty cool with Elon having fun with his company. I mean, the Tesla company is doing great. The stock had dropped back down. You could have bought it a little while ago for less than $700, and it's back up near 1,000 again. A lot of great sentiment for the Tesla company. Hopefully, Elon will start accepting Dogecoin as payment for Tesla cars. I think we're on the right track to do that. Again, as I said, he's probably waiting until some of this regulatory stuff works itself out, because he doesn't want to get in a mess there. I get that. But also, overall, he's having fun on Twitter. And the SEC doesn't like it when he talks about Tesla stuff, because it's a publicly traded company. Thinks he may be manipulating things, but I think he's just having fun. That's my take on Elon. He hasn't given up on Dogecoin. He'll get back there. Certainly SpaceX as well. His attention right now is on Tesla. And then he'll go back to SpaceX and he'll have the attention there. And we'll figure out, hopefully soon, when the Doge one is actually going to take off. Because right now there's a lot of uncertainty about when that's really going to happen. So, overall, I think Dogecoin is in a good position, trading well. Is it going to dip back below 12 cents? I kind of doubt it. I think, like I said, it looks like there are some that's saying maybe it will, and that could be a good buying opportunity. But overall, we're looking at the big picture, long-term hold. That's how you make money in crypto. You can scalp here and there with swing trading if you want to try that. But again, you could miss out on a big rise. So, and I've talked about that before, and we'll probably talk about that again because people keep asking me all the time. But we'll get to that soon. Give the video a like. Let me know in the comments below what you think about the trading of Dogecoin right now and what's going on. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.